So many of you guys enjoy the outtakes that I try to include at the end of my videos, and in the recent bench restoration video, I simply forgot to include it when I rendered the final file. So in order to make up for that little mistake, I decided to make this standalone video just for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and don't worry, the outtakes are not going away.
Start on that one and then I'll move the camera for the other ones.
You ever worry about overspraying that camera?
Have you seen it?
Well, that worked well. I brought it home. I brought it back with me. I brought it back from Pennsylvania. I brought it back to Colorado from a recent. I brought it back to Colorado. I brought it back to Colorado with me. Good thing I got steel toes on. Holy cow, that would have hurt. That landed right on my toe. Why would I start eating beef jerky right when I hit record? It's so good though, I love beef jerky. Beef jerky recommendations, ready, set, go. So my brother can be a bit of a wise guy when it comes to this kind of packaging. So for the next minute or two, I'm gonna let you watch agonizingly in real time as I struggle with all the packaging to get these pieces unwrapped. Thanks a lot, dude. Now that I finally have those unwrapped, so as agonizing as that was, there was zero damage to any of the pieces. Aha! Now we got a spot to sit and eat beef jerky.